In today's video, I am going to show you how to italicize text in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that, scroll down, go to display option. From here, scroll down, go to font size and style. And if you cannot find italicize option here, just go to font style option. Make sure that you have an internet connection and then go to download fonts. And here you can find some font style to download it. And if you cannot find any italicize option here, just go back and then open up notes in your phone, then tap on create note. Now just select your text, and at the bottom you can see some options to customize your text, and you can see italicize option here. Just tap here and that's it. You can see the text has been italicized successfully, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.